Tired of endless fees and complicated account rules? Ever wonder if there's a checking account out there that actually fits your life instead of the other way around? Well, you're not alone. The world of banking can be confusing, but today, we're cutting through the noise to talk about Patriot Bank and their checking account options. Whether you're a student, a high earner, or someone who just wants to keep things simple, Patriot Bank has a variety of accounts designed for different needs. The key is finding the one that works for you. So, let's break down the main accounts offered. First up, for those who want the basics without the fuss, there's the Essentials checking account. It's exactly what it sounds like, hassle-free banking. With a low opening deposit and no minimum balance requirements, it's perfect for getting started or simply managing your daily finances. You get unlimited check writing, free access to online and mobile banking, and a Visa debit card. It's the straightforward, no-nonsense option. Next, for the digital savvy saver, you have E+ checking. This account is all about rewarding you for your everyday spending. You can earn cash back on signature purchases, and it's a great fit if you prefer to do most of your banking online. It's a way to get a little something back every time you use your debit card. If you're looking for even more rewards, consider the rewards checking account. This one is for those who maintain a higher balance and use online banking frequently. You get a higher cash back reward on signature purchases and can even enjoy free ATM withdrawals. It's designed to help you earn more just by doing your regular banking. And for those who want their money to work for them in a different way, Patriot Bank also offers a dividend checking account. This account earns dividends, or interest, on your balance. It's a fantastic choice if you typically keep a larger amount in your checking account and want to see it grow over time, plus you can also get ATM surcharge refunds. So there you have it, a quick look at the range of checking accounts available at Patriot Bank. From the simple and essential to accounts that pay you back or pay you interest, there's an option for almost everyone. The best fit depends on your personal financial habits, how you use your account, how much you keep in it, and what features are most important to you. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.